It is December 30th, 2017. My little guy Lucas right there cracked my old Samsung TV. So it had lines on the TV and we watched it for a little bit. Anyways, so we got this one now. Full HD TV, 50-inch, 5 series smart hub, 2 HDMI ports, 1 USB port. Ultra clear view. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. I don't watch TV too often, so we'll see how this is. Yes, Bubba. And yeah, so I got this over at Costco for about $400 something. And so, yep, gonna set it up. On opening, here's a quick setup guide. Looks like here's some of the TV, the remote, cable, user's manual. Pull that out. And then I'm going to pull the TV out itself from all this. Looks like this is, there's a stand by itself. Alright, let's put this away. There's a TV, here's a stand, there's the back support. Let's go over here. Okay, remote, cable, battery, screws. That's what I'm looking for. Manual, so we're gonna put it together now. That guide, lay the TV down, put on the back to the base, and it's the black screws that you use to the base. Put there, and then the blue screws that go from the base to the actual TV. And there's the hookup. So let's do that. Excuse the noise, my boys are playing. It's been a solid week. Beautiful setup, beautiful definition. Sources right here on the bottom. Just like any other service, you just have to sign on to the services, the email and all that. But as far as definition, and compared to my other TV where it took a while for Netflix or any of these video services to turn on, right away YouTube and all that can come on. And again, like I said, the definition is absolutely gorgeous. So in HD looks good.